Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. So as you can see, this is the Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. This is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So this is the Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. You can see the reference number here, TX022G. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date here. It has a standard expiry of 18 months. It is a 96 well plate ELISA kit and it has an optimal storage between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So at the bottom you can find the pack contents. It contains the 96 well plate coated well plates. Then there is the control and the standard set, the enzyme conjugate, the wash buffer, the stop solution, the substrate, the certification of analysis. Can see at the bottom over here it has the manufacturing address. It is manufactured by Calbiotech in California, USA. So this is the details about the kit. You can see it is manufactured in the USA. It's the manufacturing address. So guys, let me unbox this kit for you. So guys, on the top you can see there is the IFU brochure for the Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. So this is the Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. So this kit contains all the necessary details to perform the analysis. So it contains all the necessary tests, the procedure, the controls and the analysis process. So this is about the IFU brochure for it. Then we have the certification of analysis. This is the Toxoplasma IgG certification of analysis. It contains all the necessary expiry date and the lot number present for the kit. So let me keep this here. Then we have the Toxoplasma coated well plates. This is the IgG Toxoplasma coated well plate. So let me keep this aside. We have a couple of other reagents. So we have a couple of other reagents present with the kit. So let me explain this for you. So we have the positive control, then we have the calibration, then we have the negative control, and after that we have the TMB substrate for the kit. Then we have the another brown bottle which is the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the wash concentrate. Then we have the IgG sample dilute. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. As you can see, this kit comes with a couple of reagents. Then there is the 96 well plate kit. Then we have the IFU brochure for it and the certification of analysis. So this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgG Elisa kit. Thank you.